Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Catherine. Thank you so much for following me to Medellin City, where we're going to be checking out the coolest street in Medellin called Provenza. So this is basically a long strip of different nightclubs, restaurant, or just a place to walk around with friends. And we're going to be checking out all the cool joints that this street has to offer. This restaurant right here is called Jackie Chan, and we're going to go in. As you start walking in, you already can see that this place has a really cool vibe. It looks like a nightclub. It has the disco balls and everything. Oh my god, you guys, look at this meal. It looks amazing. Japanese traditional gourmet meal. Oh, I can't wait to dig into this, guys. And this right here is my pineapple cocktail, which is freshly squeezed, and then they add a little bit of liquor to it, and it's amazing. 10 out of 10. This right here is a volcanic sushi. Oh my god, the flavor is amazing. And this is a coconut cocktail that my husband got, and he says it's really good. As you guys can see, this joint is actually pretty cool. I highly recommend it. The food is 10 out of 10. Very good. This plate is cat approved. Really good place to come to. Hey guys, so this is another restaurant here in Provenza Street called La Guardia. As you can see, the place is nicely decorated. I really like how it looks. I don't know, but I'm getting a little bit of nightclub vibes. To start off, I got the passion fruit drink, and Nathaniel got the pomegranate cocktail, which he said tastes really good. I can't wait to try my pomegranate drink. So I ended up getting the ceviche and milk for dinner, and I tried a little bit and it's delicious. And Nathaniel got the Mexican tacos, and I bet he can't wait to try that. I actually ended up getting another passion fruit cocktail because it was so amazing. This place is really good. 10 out of 10. Cat approved. Hey, what is up, you guys? We're here in Medellin, Colombia, and I'm gonna show you guys what it's like to go to a Medellin type of party. So the place that we're gonna go to is actually a restaurant with like a rooftop, and they have a couple of different dishes and drinks to choose from. And then at the bottom they have like a dancing floor, like if you want to dance and stuff like that. So what we're gonna do is that I'm gonna go to the restaurant, order an entree, order a drink, so that way you guys can have an idea like what to expect to order from here in Medellin. And then after, I'll show you guys like what it's like downstairs, you know, the dancing and all that vibe, if this place is recommended. This is another restaurant in Provenza Street. Hey guys, so this is another restaurant type of lounge and nightclub. The upstairs is like where you can eat, and it's a lounge, and then downstairs they have a club. To start off, I got this fruity drink, which looks delicious. Nathaniel ended up getting this drink in a vase. Let's see how that is. And these are the chicken strips that we got, which is supposed to be a gourmet meal. Looks really juicy and really good. Normally I don't go to the club, but I'm gonna head downstairs just to show you guys what it looks like. First impressions, it looks like any regular nightclub, but a little bit more upscale, more classy. So it's 11 p.m. now, and it's starting to get a little bit more packed, so that means I gotta get out of here and get to bed. Hey guys, so we're here now waiting for our Uber to go back to the hotel. So this place is top notch. I highly recommend it. I really enjoyed it. The food, the chicken, those chicken strips were delicious. The drinks were really good. They were on point. The music was awesome. The DJ was really cool. And the dance floor downstairs was pretty cool. You know, like after you're done eating, you go downstairs, you do a little dancing, and then you go back to your Airbnb, like what we're gonna do. So yes, I highly recommend this spot. It's really cool. Nathaniel, did you like this spot? Yeah? Yeah? He liked it. It was awesome. So come to Medellin and check out this spot. Awesome. I'll leave the name right here again. Oh, and please don't forget to like this video and to subscribe to this YouTube channel. We are in a new location called Envigado. Super Bowling. Guys, look at this really cool bowling alley. They're taking bowling to the next level. It's like a club in here. You can get food, drinks. Look at the bar with all the different drinks that they have. I've never seen anything like that. Oh, and they have another bowling session that way. But look at this, guys. It's a pretty impressive bar. So tonight is not about bowling. It's just we're gonna hang out, chill out here, listen to some music, and try some of the cocktails. So first impressions, this place seems pretty cool. I love the checker floors. And apparently you could have dinner here. They have like gourmet type of food, and they have cocktails. I mean, this place is pretty impressive. So this Super Bowling is known for their cocktails. As you can see, they're making right here an extravagant cocktail. I bet they're gonna enjoy that. I ended up getting the passion fruit cocktail with gold shavings on top, and it's actually a little sweet, which is good, but they brought a little champagne to pair it with to balance it out. Nathaniel ended up getting like a mojito type of drink, and he said it's really good. He had a sip. So my lips are gold from the gold drink that I had. It left my lips looking gold, so it looks like I have a lip gloss that's gold, but it's not. It's from the drink. So I naturally have a lipstick now on. So my last thoughts is that this place is 10 out of 10. It's cat approved. Hey guys, so I'm recording here from Medellin. We're gonna be going to a spot in Medellin, right up like on the top of the mountains. It's called El Cielo, and it's like a really cool spot to get like an awesome view in Medellin. I mean, I know here in Medellin, there's so many places that you can get an awesome view, but this one in particular has rides where they throw you like on a rope and things like that. You know, crazy stuff that you see like in Old Town Florida. So guys, we're here at El Mirador, right here, Mirador El Cielo. And this is where they have extreme sports. That's the correct term, extreme sports. And we're gonna go inside it and check this place out. So this is a viewpoint, pretty cool viewpoint, and they have a lot of homemade goods here, breads, desserts. Oh wow, look at this, guys. They have this nice swing here. They have a little farm where kids can pet and feed animals. Oh my goodness. Baby cheeks.
Alcohol.
Looks like someone's trying to escape. Ay, qué rico, ustedes están haciendo ahí chorizos. Eso es justo lo que yo quería. ¿Tienen diferentes acá? ¿Diferentes cositas? ¿Puros chorizos? Guys, so look at the food that we just ordered. Traditional chorizo. Nothing is gonna let us know how it is.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10? Okay, it's good. Ma, it's good? Good chorizo? Yeah, Miguel, good?
Very heavy.
Very heavy. Okay, he said very heavy. Let's see what, we're not sure what that means, but let's hope it's good. It looks delicious. What about you, Charon? What do you think? Pretty decent too. This is good? Good stuff, guys. They make it in that little wool barrel. If you guys ever saw my Barranquilla video on the process of making this type of chicharrón, check that video out.